Popular Systems, the manufacturers of high-quality assembly wiring harnesses, is one of the leading companies in Coimbatore. Our commitment to the focused factory has allowed us to streamline manufacturing in many ways, including better workflow, improved material handling, reduced inventory, and better utilization of floor space. Our diverse manufacturing capabilities include wiring harness panel assemblies and wiring accessories. A detailed look. Wiring harness. Wiring harness provided by us is available in various sizes, dimensions, and colors. Automobile wiring harness. We provide harnesses for various sectors of two-wheelers and four-wheelers like dashboards, horns, headlamps, steering control, fuel pumps, tank units, complete wiring harness for electric bikes, elevator and escalator wiring harness. We manufacture control unit harnesses for elevators and supply emergency push-button assemblies for escalators. Control panel wiring harness. We specialize in the manufacture of control panels for various applications such as T&D, textile units, and PLC controls. Electronic control device wiring harness. We provide wiring harness for electronic control devices and PLC units that are used to transmit signals to various parts of the control units. Wiring harness for renewable energy, wind energy. We manufacture and supply nacelle harnesses, LV cables, earthing cables, signal cables, HT terminations, junction box assemblies for wind energy, yaw encoders and sensor assemblies, home appliances, wiring harness, neon lamps, LEDs, and other active parts are clubbed with wiring harness, medical equipment wiring harness. We provide superior quality connectors for all types of medical equipment requirements. Data cables. We supply RJ45 jack connector cables, Type A and B USB cables, FRC connectors, and flat cables. Wiring accessories. Cable ties. Cable ties, along with mounts, provide flexibility for branching the cables in panel boards. Wiring harness clips, used in mounting wiring harnesses in automotive parts. Cable glands. Cable glands may be used on all types of electrical power, control, instrumentation, data and telecommunications cables. Wire conduits. Wire conduits have a wide range of application in automobiles, electrical control panels, home appliances, washing machines, fridges, railway coaches, aircrafts, ships, etc. Heat shrink sleeves. We provide heat shrinkable sleeves and tubes of various dimensions and all colors. We support for adhesive lined heat shrink sleeves also. Expandable sleeves. We use fray-free thermal cutting system for expandable sleeves, a protective self-fitting that protects the cables and wire harnesses from hostile environments. Spiral conduits. We provide high-quality spiral conduits that meet the demands of abrasion resistance, tensile strength, protection against dirt and dampness, and resistance against extreme temperature loads. Cable markers. We use high-quality, non-erasable thermal transfer printing technology for all types of cable markers. We support labeling and barcoding of cable assemblies also. Facilities: fully automatic wire cutting, striping and crimping machine, multi-core cable cutting and de-sheathing machine, pneumatic core stripper, wire cutting, stripping, pneumatic cable outer jacket removal machine, pneumatic crimping machine for scattered terminals, semi-automatic crimping machines, applicators, toggle crimping machines, soldering station, air compressor. Competitiveness. We maintain competitiveness with the following steps: procurement of raw materials from the most cost-effective sources, keeping the least inventory to increase productivity, adoption of the latest techniques, value engineering as a continuous process, keeping the overheads to the essentials with minimum level to gain maximum efficiency, best quality product with competitive price, 100% acceptance with customers, zero defects. Certifications: we are an IATF 16949, ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004 and OSAS 18001-2007 IMS certified organization. Awards and accolades: we are awarded by most of the multinational companies and we stand proud for being the 0 ppm green channel supplier for most of our customers. Quality: all our crimps are statistically controlled and all our wiring harnesses are electrically tested. We are a member of the IPC. We follow IPC 620C standards in our manufacturing processes.